Does North Korea have a stock market? Have you ever wondered how North Korea manages its economy without a stock market? It's a fascinating topic that reveals a lot about the country's unique approach to socialism. North Korea does not have a stock market like those found in capitalist countries. Instead, its economy is based on a system of socialism with strong state control. In North Korea, most businesses are owned by the state, and the government has a firm grip on production, distribution, and pricing. This means that traditional market mechanisms, like stock exchanges, are largely absent. While there have been some changes since the early 2000s, these do not resemble a stock market. Instead of a stock market, North Korea has state-sanctioned physical markets known as Jangmadang. These markets allow limited private trade under strict regulations. They emerged in response to economic crises and famines in the 1990s. Today, they are essential for daily life, but they do not function like stock markets where shares of companies are bought and sold. The government officially allowed these markets to operate starting in 2002. They set rules and collect taxes from vendors, but the state still maintains tight control over economic activities. These markets are primarily venues for exchanging goods rather than platforms for investment or raising capital. North Korean businesses do have some level of autonomy through a system called the independent accounting system. This allows factories to manage their own budgets and profits to a limited extent. However, this setup is far from what you would find in a stock market environment. From a socialist viewpoint, the absence of a stock market aligns with the idea of public ownership of production means. The limited market activities that do exist are seen as necessary adaptations to economic challenges rather than a shift toward capitalism. The state's role remains dominant, aiming to balance control with practical allowances for market mechanisms to support the population's needs and generate government revenue. So, in short, North Korea does not have a stock market. Its economy is primarily state-controlled, with some officially tolerated markets for goods. However, there is no formal system for trading company shares or securities. This reflects the country's socialist economic framework, which prioritizes state ownership and planning over capitalist market institutions.